How to get Uber Eats promo code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the top, you'll see the search box. Over there, type in Uber Eats promo code and search for it. Different website links will appear. Using any of these websites, you can easily get working promo code for Uber Eats. So go ahead and open any of these. For instance, I'm going to open this one, Los Angeles. After you open it, you're going to find amazing deals and offer. Just scroll and check. 75% coupon code, $15 coupon code, $16 coupon code, and many more. Hit towards any of the coupon code that you want to use. Just click on View Coupon. So here's the code, you can copy it, then click on Visit Uber Eats. You'll be directed to the official website of Uber Eats. Now you can log into your account, make your order, and while you proceed to the checkout page, in the checkout page you'll find the section of promo code. Over there you'll need to paste the code and confirm your order, and with that you'll get the discount. Likewise, you can also try out other offers, as in this page you're gonna find tons of offers. Also check out these websites, as these websites will also provide you working promo code for Uber Eats. Well, this way you can easily get working promo code for Uber Eats. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.